Here's my video of my bedroom. Here, I'll be saying, sit. Bedroom here. Drawers. I was in routine of the that worship, the God that I worship, and all my combs, incense, everything else. What I was saying. Yes. My storage here. Right here. I worship Allah here. My storage here. Here. My shoebox. Here. Shoebox. My washing basket here to find out laundry. My window display here. And here. Just items here. My host here. My things here. Items here. My items here. Items here. Items there. Yeah, the items there. Weights of there. I've cleaned. That's that it. His storage is there. It's okay. Still here. A few clothes and that's all. My backpack there. My rucksack there. My CX backpack there. My clean clothes. A little bit here. My fleece jacket here. Clean clothes there. Clothes here. Fleece jacket there. Items here. My bed here. My drawers there. Items here. My bed here. My nice yellow label there. My drawer. Yeah. The storage unit here. My thing here. For my portrait. My storage box here for clean versus that's hair and shower first and that's it. My shoebox here. That's it. Then my items there. My drawers here.